Zimbabwe's ambitious economic blueprint, Vision 2030, has recently been thrust under an intense spotlight, with a former government minister boldly dismissing it as a politically driven fantasy. This scathing critique, emanating from a prominent voice within the nation's political landscape, has ignited a fervent debate about the true feasibility and underlying intentions behind President Emmerson Mnangagwa's grand developmental agenda. Zambi namashoko kubuda panguva ino tichiona kuti panguva ino zvakanaka zvoya tichifumura ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tivina munomu kudanyi kwa mchinsi. The ex-minister's association suggests a profound disillusionment regarding the practicality and genuine commitment to economic transformation for the average Zimbabwean citizen, challenging the government's narrative of progress and raising critical questions about the fundamental assumptions and implementation strategies of Vision 2030. At the heart of the controversy lies the stark disparity between the lofty aspirations of Vision 2030 and the prevailing socio-economic realities confronting Zimbabwe. Critics frequently point to persistent challenges such as alarmingly high unemployment rates, chronic currency instability, and woefully inadequate infrastructure development as irrefutable evidence that the vision remains largely an abstract ideal rather than a tangible, achievable roadmap. The core of the former Minister of State in the Prime Minister's office, Gordon Moyo's argument articulated during the local governance conference in Bulawayo revolves around this perceived disconnect. He contended that while the National Development Strategy 2 (NDS2), which underpins Vision 2030, possesses inherent merit as a policy framework, its targets are fundamentally unrealistic given the country's precarious economic situation. Doma developments anobuda panguva ine uchonekwa kunzi aiwa zvakanaka panguva ine zvazvofumura uchinzi aiwa their economic vision 2030 panguva ine iri kunzi it is not realistic. Vinakomesa chiembedzo dzafungura ili motoli pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check it on the bell icon.